Imagine Lodrick. Lodrick is a teacher. He is very motivated to teach, but Lodrick feels a bit limited by the tools that he uses to teach. On his birthday, Lodrick received a smartphone from his wife. Like other teachers, Lodrick teaches a very practical subject. Lodrick's learners are always challenged and always asking questions in the classroom. Every Monday after the lesson, Lodrick always has a very long line of students asking almost the same questions. Lodrick's Mondays are always so tiresome, and by the thought of it, he feels already fatigued. Recently, Lodrick got an opportunity to undertake a multimedia course aimed at training teachers how to teach using multimedia technologies. Using his camera, smartphone, and the school's document camera, Lodrick can use these multimedia technologies to create engaging online resources that he could actually upload on his school's learning management system.
Hello, a big welcome to this video. As you may all know, many teachers in developing countries would like to implement multimedia into their courses, but lack the necessary hardware and expensive software to make their courses interactive. Of course, we all know that interactive courses activate learners, stimulate and motivate learning, and cultivate attention in the classroom. From research, all these multimedia, including high-resolution smartphones, video cameras, document cameras, and other accompanying software and hardware are very expensive and may not be affordable to the ordinary teacher. But did you know that you can create a very interactive presentation or a course by simply using your smartphone and PC? I'll show you how.
That is a basic setup of the workstation where we are going to be doing the recording. Once Microsoft PowerPoint is open, of course, like I have done, I have created 3 slides. This is my first slide, this is my second slide, and this is my third slide. Now, once Microsoft Office Mix plugin is installed, you can locate it at the far right. Then you can click it. Once you click it, you will see the different tools that it has. To record your screen, navigate to the Office Mix toolbar and then select Screen Recording. Once screen recording is activated, then you will see that another window will appear that will show you a selection of the different audio devices for input of audio on the topmost bar, and then you will see a red button that has the Start Screen Recording button. But on the other side, in the working area, you will see another section with square edges. These square edges represent an area for you to input the video from, of course, your video input device. Now, this area you can resize your video input to the exact size of the recording that you want, and once you have done resizing, then you can go ahead and hit Start Screen Recording. At the count of 3, you can now start recording, and you'll only be restricted to recording within the dotted area. Okay, to solve this integral, we replace f of x with x to the power n. X to the power n dx, okay, which is equal to 1 over a to b. Solution to our problem, part B. The integral from a to b, x to the power n dx, will be equal to, that is our solution. After recording, press the stop recording button that is located right above your recording screen, and the video of your recording will be inserted right at your current slide. Now, you click on the video to resize it. You can also trim the video to reduce on probably the duration of time it runs by clicking on playback and then select trim video. To trim the video, click trim video, and then from this window can reduce it by simply dragging. Maybe you want it to run for 5 minutes right there, and then you click OK. So that will trim the video to run for exactly a certain duration of time. Okay, So now that that is done, you can go ahead and go back to mix, and now you can put a slide recording so that you can describe every slide to your students. To start recording a slide from your current slide location, click slide recording, and with this window that you see, you can select your video input, probably your webcam or the audio input, and then you can select the different inks for the different pens that you want to use. You are now ready to start recording. So you select start recording, you make a recording. You can probably emphasize that this is the course and you are the person offering it. You can give that different colors. Select next. You may want to emphasize this also, probably giving them a background of what you covered yesterday, or making an emphasis of what was most frequently asked by most students, and that is probably the number that you want to revisit in this tutorial. You can choose to save this in the current slide. Stop recording. Yes.